Even if they are injured or sick, all pets never tell us any stories. We realize there's something wrong with their body and go to the hospital to start treatment. It may be already we missed the right time. With the desire not to face this unfortunate situation, INPET was born. INPET measures their body composition every day, such as body weight, BMI, body fat, visceral fat, body water, protein mass, muscle mass, and bone density. INPET also accumulates measured data, calculates trends, and using AI, predicts the prognosis and informs it to you. In addition, INPET has ingredients data from more than 3,000 feedstuffs on markets. Based on nutritional academic data, INPET uses measured composition data and the age of the cat. INPET recommend feed that is currently most suitable for the cat. After feed replacement, show a simulation of predicting changes in body composition. INPET's all functions are designed only to help cats stay healthier and happier. We hope cats can enjoy more happier life day by day with INPET and through INPET.